Hi there and welcome back. I've got two new windows, so let's see if I can get them both installed this weekend. Let's get started. Calendrical, it is still autumn. But winter and Christmas is just around the corner. It will be a very quiet Christmas this year, as just now as I'm editing this episode, there is breaking news that Germany will go into another shutdown over the holidays. So, we will celebrate just with closest family members to bring the numbers down. But before there is time to celebrate, there is time to work. If you remember, there is still a panel I have to cut and install. Done. The porch is weathertight now, so I can go on working on the facade. Two windows are already installed, the temporary door as well. Now it is time to continue on the other side of the front wall. But first, I have to tidy up this rubbish. Unfortunately, I have not been able to get pressure-treated wood in the right thickness, so I have to double some smaller lumber. I've got a new favorite song. I love it. The new windows are a bit smaller than the old ones. I think it fits better to the house. As you know, our windows are tilt and turn windows. Therefore, it is very important to get them absolutely plumb. Otherwise, they would always snap shut or open once you open them. Like the previous ones, the new windows are triple glazed, very energy efficient and heavy. So, winter can come. My tiny house is weathertight again. If temperatures go down even more, I can continue working on the inside. But my plan is to go on finishing the facade as much as possible, as long as there is no snow. I hope to be able to install both windows this weekend, but it is what it is. Things take time. By the way, time. What if you seized the time of this never-ending end credits and press the subscribe button? I'd love to have 100,000 subscribers on board by Christmas. That's it for this week. See you next week. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. Just as I said, there is enough time to subscribe. It is absolutely for free and you'll never miss out an episode.